Hi everyone. In this short video, I want to show you how to log into your WordPress account so you can check to see if you have contact requests or any kind of form requests that you may have missed. Generally speaking, you should be getting your email requests from your website, but if you think that you're not getting them or something seems strange, I want you to be able to log in to look and see to check for yourself. Sometimes the emails might go to spam. It's rare now because everything should be configured properly, but in case it isn't, I don't want you missing anything. So here's what you do. So here you go to your website and you're going to go to /wp-admin. And here you're going to log in with your username and password. Now, if you don't know your username and password, it's not a problem. Click lost your password and then just type in your email address, whatever it happens to be. And then click get new password. And there you go. So it's going to now send you an email where you can click to grab your new password. So let's take a look at that. So here I am in my Gmail account. I opened up the email. I did cut off the left side just for security. And so you can see here that it's giving me someone had requested a request. I just did it. So let's click to build there. And now we can come over here and we can reset the password. It doesn't matter to me. Let's click that and save the password. So now you have a password saved. So now let's come back to the website and we need to go log in again. So we'll just go to same thing. Login. You can go here, doesn't matter. Here. So I typed in my email and let's the password we just had and I don't want to say let's log in. And I don't now this is just because this is the development site, so don't worry about that. So now what we're going to do is let's take a look at the contact requests. So you have Ninja Forms most likely in your account. If you go to Ninja Forms now. No, I don't want that. So here's the only form I have here is a contact form. This isn't a form I set up yet, but if you come over here under Ninja Forms, under submissions, you're going to see here, select a form. And then if you click filter, or whatever, it's going to show you a list of all the contact submissions. So that's how you can always get in. So if you're not sure, if it seems like you were getting them and now you're not getting them, there's a number of reasons why that could happen. And, obviously we do everything we can to make sure it doesn't, but I do want you to be able to check your email, to check your forms, to make sure you're getting them. Obviously, if you're concerned, you can log in and do this, or you can also just go to your forms and send a test request to yourself, but here's another way to do it. So as always, let me know if you have any questions and have a great day.